I am doing this video to encourage my people who have certain types of challenges, medical challenges that they're dealing with. If you're diabetic, if you are, hypertensive, if you have high blood pressure, if you have heart disease, any of those things, thyroid issues, I just want to come and encourage you because I understand what your plight is. I don't suffer or have these challenges. However, I do know what it can do to your hair. I have dealt with people who did not understand why it was that their hair was limp, why their hair wouldn't hold a curl, why it wouldn't hold color, why it wouldn't hold a style, why it just kept getting thinner and thinner. And a lot of times people do not realize that it is the medication that they're taking. And a lot of times when you take these medications, once they get into your system, because it's medicine and it is basically something that's sort of working against the natural flow of what your body is used to, it will have a different effect on your skin. It'll have a different effect on your hair, just like any side effect. Over time, taking medication can affect your hair. But I just want you to be encouraged, because if you got hair on your head, you can work with what you got. I've seen people be so discouraged. And the thing is, you have to find styles and things that you can work with that will actually, kind of hook you up. These people are people who usually wear weaves and things like that. But my thing is, do not sacrifice the integrity of the health of your hair by weaving it and doing all kinds of things that will cause it a lot of damage over time. Continue to treat your hair, take your vitamins, take your medicine, do what you have to do. I know it can be discouraging. I know that it can be frustrating because you can't wear a lot of the styles that other people can wear. But you know something? You still got a head of hair on your hair. Even if you're losing your hair, there is something that you can still do. One of the best things you could do, I would say, is even go natural. I have a friend now who she's been struggling with cancer. And she's been in and out of the hospitals a lot, and she's dealt with chemo and things like that. And she's got beautiful, beautiful thick hair, but it's just a little too much for her to handle. Trying to keep her hair relaxed, trying to keep it cut, trying to keep it fly. So she's going natural, and it's just a little easier for her to take care of it. So I just want y'all to be encouraged and know that just because your body is dealing with this, your spirit is still intact. Your spirit is still all right. God sees your heart. He knows what's in your spirit. He's not worried about what's going on with your hair, but I know you are. So what I would say to you is treat your hair the best that you can. Keep it moisturized. Don't try to do too much to it. Just basically do what you can. And like I said, I know it's frustrating, and for somebody who's never dealt with it, you might say, shut up, you don't know what you're talking about. But to be honest, I just want you to be encouraged, only because I've dealt with it and I've seen it. I've done finger waves and all. Was that your finger? Come on. I've done finger waves and scrunches on people like that. Basically styles that are low maintenance are really good. Ponytails and nice little updos, things that don't pull the hair too tight as well. So just be encouraged and know that just because you might be diabetic, just because it might be your heart or your thyroid, it could be anything. It's all right. It's all right. God is still a healer, and even if He doesn't, He's still a good God. He is still a good God. So you just be encouraged in that, and you can still be hooked up. Go natural, girl. Go natural. You can do it. And it's all right. I know it's frustrating. Taking medication every day, you get tired. But God will give you the strength to deal with it. So just be encouraged and know you got somebody here on the other side of this camera that is rooting for you. So I love you. Be encouraged. Be blessed. Keep it moving forward. Mwah.